Hello. Today we are going to cut this tube. There's a PTFE tube for small size, so it can fit to the extruder. But we have the problem. You see, the tube is not exactly flat. So when we cut, there will be some angle with the tube. So let's try this. So we insert the tube inside. Okay. So we start. Every 5 stop. Okay, so you can see here's the tube we get. Because the tube is with curve, so you can see the edge is not sharp and also with angle. It's not exactly perpendicular to the floor, so with angle. And also from this side, you see, also with angle. So it's not exactly very perpendicular. So this is a big problem. We have to find a way to make sure this tube is exactly straight, so we can get very precise cut on the edge. So how can we resolve this? So we have printing 1 gauge. So now we are going to print this part, and here from the view we can tell there's this area is hanging in the air. So we have to, it's red, you can see it's red, which means it's hanging in the air. So we have to turn this a little bit, turn it to lighted green, so we can, there's no area hanging in the air. Okay, let's move. You choose the 15 degree, 30 degree. Just now I have moved 1 step, so now it's lighted green. Let's check the bottom. You see, the bottom is touching the bed. So by this way, it can print a perpendicular, and also all the area is touching the bed, and then low area hanging in the air. So we click slicing, so it will start slicing. Okay, we have 3 hours 49 minutes. So printing over 230. So now I have the Wi-Fi, so it's sending, upload the printing job to printer by Wi-Fi. So now it's 0, 2%, 3%, 5%. It will take, because it's quite a big part, so it will take roughly about 1 or 2 minutes to transfer the file to your printer, and your printer will receive the file. And here's a monitor. You can see we have connected to, this Cura has connected to your printer. Extruder temperature 220, the bed temperature is 16. And now we can preheat. So now I click. So it will start preheating the bed. So when they finish the transferring, you can start printing immediately. And you can jog position. You can check X, Y, Z or extruder by click this button. And now 40%. Yeah, you can open fan, close fan through your computer. Okay, so here you can see the file is already received on the printer, and the printer starts printing automatically. So now we are hitting the bed, and if they transfer from your computer, there will be image displayed with TFT file, G-code file. So this it will printing on your bed, and now 27 to 45, 220 for the extruder. So if you have no other thing, you just keep it. It will printing very quick. Okay, so we have printing this yellow plastic part. By this way, we can guide the tube. You see, every tube, it could be bent. It's not exactly flat, so we have to ensure it's flat. So when do cut, we can have 90% correct dimension of the card. It's very sharp. So if there's a bending, when we cut it's with angle. So by this tool, we can set the, let's go through. So you can see this long tube would guide this tube to be flat. So when it's cut, the edge would be very sharp and also lightly degrading to the base. So it's quite flat. So we will install this onto the machine and cut again. So this one is the gauge we have printed. By this way, it will straight on. It will straight. When we get the tube go through, it will make sure it's straight. So when we cut, the edge would be very precise and sharp. So now we change the this rubber step so it can clamp the part. Okay. So, all right. This one is the part we have just printed. We install this inside. Okay, the second bolt, and make sure it's you can adjust a little bit. All right. All right. All right. It's flat now. Let's do a little try. Yeah, it can go through now, and also it's quite good located. All right, so let's turn on the machine and try. Move this back a little bit. Okay, cut. All right, let's check. Okay, can you see? So when it goes through, it's quite straight to ensure it's quite straight. So the cut is very sharp and also perpendicular to the floor. So you see every part is quite good. So we have improved the efficiency a lot. And we can come, I will show you the former one. These are the former one. You see, the former one with a little edge, with a little angle and the tip. But the new one, it could be, there still is, but it's much less. So this will be quite good for your printer because it's perpendicular. It's quite good and dimension for your extruder. So this design is exactly perfect for your manufacturing. Thank you for your watching.